Hello friends, Namaskar dosto. In this video, we are going to take a look at the banking stocks once again. Or those who have been watching my video, you know I give importance to banking stocks a lot, which is obviously shows the health of the economy. Plus, banking stocks are also great for trading opportunities. They are heavily traded, they trends. So broadly, I prefer banking stocks, and इसीलिए I keep on watching the bank stocks because as per regulation and others, it is the central bank is taking care of the fundamental in banking stocks. Oh, I do not need to worry about the worst of the cases in banking stocks. सो स्टॉक सिलेक्शन दिस इज माय सेटअप ट्रेडिंग सेटअप और स्टॉक सिलेक्शन के लिए मैं क्या करता हूं आई सिलेक्ट माय एसडी रेनबो वर्जन 1 एंड उसमें आई विल गो टू स्टॉक्स कैश स्टॉक्स वीकली और कैश स्टॉक्स वीकली में मुझे कुछ क्राइटेरिया चाहिए जैसे स्ट्रेंथ स्कोर 70 स्टॉक आर एस स्टेटस राइजिंग या तो स्पीडिंग या तो एक्सट्रीम बुल and stock speed score I want 10 in weekly chart, otherwise I'll not do in any kind of trading in that stock. Plus my preferred criteria is short trend bullish in weekly, as well as I will minimum require at least one TMP criteria. So we'll start with the private bank here and alphabetical order. AU Bank, a lot of bank stocks are going down, so we'll be able to visualize if any of them are good for us. This is the AU Bank. We discussed about this. We got a buy signal, but as a stock selection, this is not ready yet. I want smooth, big ride. And for that, AU Small Finance Bank is not ready. It's a strong resistance. It's upar. I have placed my alert. Then what we have Axis Bank, which was heading higher, but हम लोग warning पे थे because strength score RS status is not satisfying, so we'll reject Axis Bank. Bandhan Bank is anyway rejected. We are not interested in the small move. We are only interested in moves, strong trending moves like this down move is the opposite we want. So this small ping move I don't want. Then there is CSB Bank, which showed an early promise, but it finally did not conclude. हम लोग इसको स्पेशल लिस्ट में रखे थे, though it was not satisfying criteria की हो सके ये satisfy करे in the coming days, but it did not. Failed. City Union Bank is one which is very close. हम लोग इसके बारे में बात किए हैं. I'll prefer a break from here rather than a break from the flat zone. It is best not to have a break via the flat zone. The actual candle, if it breaks from here, then it can definitely rise. It will have the strength. Flat zone को अगर break कर रहा है तो भी बढ़ सकता है, but बहुत सारा energy चला जाता है. That means it can rise up to this point, but there will be strong struggle after it reaches 192 to 174 or maybe 180. But if it breaks from here, very likely since strength is there, it is going to reach out this level and in all probability it may break higher. So where the City Union Bank is breaking will be very important for me. Then I have DCB Bank, not satisfying, so we'll reject. देखिए Dhanalakshmi Bank, similar, sell signal. Dhanalakshmi Bank, so thank God we are not there. We enjoyed the ride. Now sell side we cannot play in India unless we are into derivatives or we are going intraday. So my focus of this portfolio is long only. So long only, can we do long? No, we can't. So we'll avoid. Equitas Bank, same देखिए, same story, avoid. फेडरल बैंक ये इतना बढ़िया है, मुझे इसे स्कैनिंग करने में भी टाइम नहीं लगता. इट इज ब्रेकिंग हायर. देखिए फेडरल बैंक, बट इट द क्राइटेरिया वर नॉट देयर एंड इट इज नाउ ब्रेक फेल हो गया. सो क्राइटेरिया जो दिया गया है इसमें चुन चुन के दिया गया है. सो वंस इट स्टार्ट्स, वन स्टॉक स्टार्ट्स satisfying, then you can have really have the ride. Like HDFC buy signal, can we buy? Yes, but should we buy? I did not. At least I will not recommend because I don't have the strong ride. Here it will be correction based ride. I want a strong ride. So once these criteria come, I'll go for it. Similar, ICICI Bank did go up and it is going up, but our criteria not satisfied and it is struggling. So struggle हो रहा है जब तक हमारे criteria satisfy नहीं हो रहा है. This I have observed. So बिना criteria के, जैसे if we want to go for a breakout, we go for better small quantity. Unless I really see the criteria getting satisfied. IDBI, देखिए, it may fail. We have a full green candle, but very small. Look at IDFC First Bank. Momentum clearly bearish. So we are not going to succeed on the buy. In the sense, momentum to the down. Jammu and Kashmir Bank, same momentum down, strength score, nothing is there in weekly. Then we have Karur Vaisa. It was satisfying, but now it is gone. Karur Vaisa could not satisfy with the speed score. We are having a correction, big one. We'll remove Karur Vaisa for my list. And daily ke hisab se, if you had entered, exit has already come. Let's look at the daily. Daily ke liye we will change the cash stocks to less than weekly setting. And I'll be getting a different reading hit here, probability. So अभी भी buyers के हाथ में ये market, but big sell off coming up. Earnings भी आ रहा है, maybe earnings के साथ we can see maybe a comeback, but earnings are fundamental events, so they cannot be fully predicted what is going to happen during the fundamental. So cash stocks weekly में वापस चले गए setting में. Now we have Kotak. Thankfully we are not in Kotak in weekly and it's still bearish, very bearish pressure में है Kotak. इसको धक्का मिला है सेंट्रल बैंक से, रेगुलेशन से, इट इज डाउन. आरबीएल बैंक चारों तरफ डाउन. सो ओवरऑल इकोनॉमी हेल्थ और बैंक्स आर नॉट ग्रोइंग. दैट्स नॉट अ वेरी इकोनॉमिक हेल्दी इकोनॉमी, जो हम लोग डिफरेंट रीजन की वजह से जानते हैं. मेरा एक ट्रेड जो काम नहीं किया वाज सूर्योदय. सूर्योदय वेंट फॉर अ बिग करेक्शन, जो हम लोग डेली में देख सकते हैं. So my entry in Suryoday finally triggered exit as well. So this is the exit move. A full day daily is the trading chart, weekly is the selection chart. So daily, weekly now selection is gone. Daily, this last move after some promise, it could not hold up. Then we have Tamil Nadu Marka Bank, which is after a long trend somewhat consolidating. Quest crossing up. Quest का alert आया है. All my trading happens based on alerts. So let's see Quest in the daily chart. No, it's not there. Earnings coming up. So it's better not right now. A small tick move up. Very small squeezed candle, but एक buy के तरफ आ रहा है Quest. Let's go back to our Yes Bank. Yes Bank, we are no longer interested here. It has been not satisfying our criteria for some time now. So we will avoid Yes Bank. Yes Bank भी बाद, Ujjivan Small Finance, both are gone. So private segment में मुझे ऐसा कोई भी बैंक नहीं दिख रहा है जो हमारे criteria satisfy कर रहा है. Let's check the public sector bank. No. Not the Bank of Baroda. After the green exit signal, jaldi, it is a mixed market, avoid. Same for Bank of India. After initial promise, हमारे criteria थोड़ा satisfy होके it's gone. Then we have Canara Bank, momentum fading, not a great time to hold on to long trades. Momentum fade is clear. Then we have Central Bank, same fading bull, red candle. Indian Bank, देखिए stock speed, momentum low. This kind of breakout is not going to work. IOB, momentum fading. Any kind of buy move later on will not work. Momentum fading. Bank of Maharashtra, look at this. Extreme bull. ये सिर्फ हमारे criteria satisfy कर रहा है. So we'll have to keep this in our list. All threes are satisfied. We have TMP. So one thing is missing is the ST Momo bearish. You can place a ST Momo bullish alert and see how it goes. Now for this, come down to the daily chart since this is selected. Now, is this in my buy list? Yes. Can I buy it now? No, because in daily chart there is not a full green candle. So trade करने के लिए what I will do? I'll select SD Rainbow Wave and I'll place price action bullish, which is a full green candle. Without full green, we can't enter. So this Mahabank will remain as a buy support opportunity. जब alert आएंगे तब देखेंगे, अब नहीं. Going back to the PNB, it is a strong fading of momentum. आप रहना नहीं चाहोगे in this kind of stock. Punjab and Sindh Bank similar. State Bank of India अपना criteria satisfy होने के बाद now fading, very likely down move. No, even if you want to buy and you want to come down to the daily chart for that, एंड यहाँ पे आप एक फुल ग्रीन कैंडल चाहते हो फिर से एंट्री करने के लिए. जो लोग ऑलरेडी एंटर कर चुके हैं दे में एग्जिट पार्शियली, या इफ दे आर नॉट exiting they at least can wait for 3 red candle. If after 3 red caps, not red candle, red caps, if a buying does not come, that's usually a warning. After 3, within 3 red caps, 2 red caps, buying will come if it's possibly strong. तो स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया जो है जस्ट हमारे क्राइटेरिया जस्ट अनसेटिस्फाई करना चालू किया है. जस्ट स्पीड स्कोर हैज कम डाउन. तो इसमें भले ही आप पूरा एग्जिट करो ना करो, यू डेफिनेटली वांट टू रिड्यूस योर क्वांटिटी and you want to see whether it can break 830 region or not. So currently State Bank of India in weekly chart, it is not satisfying the speed score criteria. एक possibility, look at 830 level and wait for in daily chart short momentum to come back. So this is once again UCO Bank rejected, full red candle plus no criteria, same rejected. So banking sector देखा जाए, so overall PSU bank में only Maharashtra, Bank of Maharashtra is satisfying the criteria so far. Let everybody else either in PSU or on private bank, none are satisfying the criteria anymore. This is not a very healthy picture for the economy, and I will not be placed too much in the banking stocks right now. So that's all, friends. Thank you for watching. All the best to your trading, and as usual, happy trading.